Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make polyscapes. First of all, open up the background image in Photoshop. I have provided the links of the source images in the description. Then, press Ctrl+R to activate the ruler. Drag the guides from both vertical and horizontal rulers and bring them to middle. This will help you in placing the shapes in the middle. Create a new layer above the background. Then, select the polygon tool and set the number of sides to 3 to make a triangle. But you are free to choose any shape you want. Draw a triangle in the new layer. Then bring the triangle to middle. Press Ctrl+T if you want to make any transformations. Once you're finished, then create another layer below the first triangle. Create another triangle. But this time, I'm making an inverted triangle smaller than the first one. If you're finished with the adjustments, then make another layer below the second triangle. In the new layer, make a circle using the ellipse tool. In the circle you made, turn off the fill and turn on the stroke. Set the stroke size to 10 pixels. Then, press Ctrl+T to adjust the circle. Once you're finished with the adjustments, create layer masks in the second triangle and the circle. Select the circle layer mask, and Control-click the first triangle to make a selection of it. Go to Select, Modify, Expand, and expand the selection by 10 pixels. Select the brush tool and set the color to black. Then paint over the mask so as to create a separation between the triangle and the circle. Again, Control-click the first triangle and expand. But this time, let's expand the selection by 30 pixels. Select the layer mask of the second triangle and paint black to create a separation between the two triangles. After that, select the two triangles and press Ctrl+G to group them. Let's keep the circle aside. Then we'll add the second image and press Ctrl+T to transform it. Keep the image right above the group we created. After that, create clipping masks so that the image will only be visible over the triangles. Duplicate the background image and bring the duplicate layer above the ellipse. Flip the duplicate layer vertically and create a clipping mask. Let's create a new layer at the top. Select the pen tool and outline the triangle. Then select the brush tool, set the hardness to 100% and set the size to 5 pixels. Then select pen tool, and stroke path. Do the same for other triangles as well. And there you go. The polyscape is finished. Thank you for watching the video. Give us a like and please subscribe to our channel. See you next time.